I guess I need an oil change. Okay, let's go. Doesn't look that old. Feels like I lost my time and money. Well, I'm glad I own a car and not this, or worst, a fleet of these. Construction equipment engines are expensive pieces of engineering. To avoid damaging these assets, a conservative approach is used. A tight preventive maintenance is scheduled to make sure the engine is serviced before there is a risk of damage. This means oil is changed based on engine working time. When the machine has reached a defined number of hours, it is serviced regardless of actual oil condition. There's an obvious drawback associated to this kind of preventive maintenance. I'm not a trained business analyst, but I was able to gather some numbers. And guess what? I found an interesting relationship. The more you throw clean oil away, the more money you lose. Throwing away clean oil not only is a waste of money, it also destroys the environment. Improperly disposed oil percolates and creates groundwater contamination. 1 liter of oil is enough to make 1 million liters of water undrinkable. Oil also prevents oxygen from entering water and blocks sunlight, making it difficult for plants to photosynthesize, eventually killing fishes. If you want to save fishes, recycle used oil. If you want to save both money and fishes, don't throw away clean oil. T has a solution to stop throwing away clean oil. Our oil property sensor measures oil viscosity, density, relative permittivity, resistivity, and temperature. From a sensor perspective, being able to measure 4 physical parameters from engine oil is fantastic. The user needs to know how aged the oil is and how close the engine is to needing an oil change. An oil change algorithm must be placed between sensor and the user. While we have expertise in sensors, our customers already deployed artificial intelligence trained to optimize the overall maintenance of heavy-duty equipment. Our sensors simplify data collection to enable customers to take predictive maintenance from concept to reality. So save fishes and money and use oil property sensors to extend your oil life duration.